children, welcome back to my class. As we are discussing Pinocchio lesson, so what happened over there? Yes, the carpenter named Geppetto, he made a toy out of a piece of wood named Pinocchio. So let us see what happened in the remaining part of the lesson. So page number 48. No, light Pinocchio again. Ping! Pinocchio's wooden nose grew even longer. Now he began to cry. So what happened here, children? So as the fairy asked him that where did he go? So Pinocchio said that he went to school. But he said lie. Then his nose started growing longer. So she thought that he said lie. She said that you went to the puppet show, didn't you? So again Pinocchio said no. So again his nose started growing longer. Now he began to cry. Do not tell lies, said the fairy. Every time you tell a lie, your nose will grow longer. Listen to your father and always tell the truth. Pinocchio promised that he would. The fairy then made his nose small again. Now fairy is saying to Pinocchio that you should not say lie. Every time you should say truth and you have to listen to your father, otherwise your nose will grow longer and longer. Then Pinocchio promised that he would never tell lie again. So again the fairy made his nose small. So when Pinocchio got home, he ran up to Geppetto. He ran to his father. I promise to be good, father, said Pinocchio as he hugged Geppetto. Then he hugged to his father and said, I promise I will be good to you, father. Who said this? Yes, Pinocchio said to father Geppetto. So suddenly Pinocchio was not a wooden toy anymore. He became a real boy. Geppetto cried with delight. Here delight is nothing but happiness, great happiness. Then what happened? This toy boy became human being, a real boy. So his father Geppetto cried with happiness. We hope Pinocchio kept his promise and never lied again. So why does Pinocchio promise to be good? Yes, if he break his promise, then again his nose will be growing longer and longer. So he promised that he will never say lie again. So we hope that he will keep his promise and never lie again. Okay children, this was the story of Pinocchio. Now let us see the textbook bits. Reading part, answer in brief. Question answer, first one. Why did Geppetto make a toy out of wood? Why he made? Because he was lonely. He had no children, no wife. That's why he made a toy out of wood. Second, what happened to Pinocchio when he fell asleep by the fire? Yeah, when he fell asleep by the fire, he felt, yeah, he caught fire. His fire caught fire and burned. His feet caught fire and got burned. Third, what did Pinocchio stop to look at on his way to school? What did Pinocchio stop? Yeah, he stopped to look at a puppet show. Fourth one, how did the fairy know that Pinocchio was lying? Because every time he lied, his nose grew longer. Next, fifth question, what happened when Pinocchio hugged Geppetto? When Pinocchio hugged Geppetto, he became a real boy. Okay, now B bit, read these lines and answer the questions. You will be my son. Who said these words? Yes, Geppetto said these words. What was he talking to? He was talking to a wooden toy that he had made. Give these to your father. Who said these words to Pinocchio? Yes, the puppet master said these words to Pinocchio. What did he give Pinocchio and why? Yeah, he gave 5 gold coins for dancing in the puppet show. Now, third, you went to the puppet show, didn't you? Who said these words? Fairy said these words. Where did Pinocchio say he had gone? He said that he had gone to school. Okay. So, children, only these 2 bits of question answers you have to learn. This C bit, first answer only you have to learn. What happened after Geppetto kissed Pinocchio? How did he bump into the policeman? So, after Geppetto kissed Pinocchio, he was tapped on his nose of Pinocchio. Then jumped off the table and ran away. Then Pinocchio bumped into the policeman. He cried for help and said that he was being chased Geppetto. Okay, only this answer you have to learn from C bit. Then second and third no need to learn, and this D bit also. Okay, children. Now let us go for the next grammar part. Know your values also no need to learn. Grammar part. The puppet was made by Geppetto. It was his. The coins are mine, shouted Pinocchio. Now, here the grammar part is related to possessive pronouns. Possessive pronouns are nothing but it shows that something belongs to someone and they are never replaced before nouns. It should be standing alone. Okay. Suppose this bottle is mine. Mine is here nothing but possessive pronouns. Children, don't worry, you will be getting this video explanation in detail separately. Okay. So, what are the examples of possessive pronouns? His, mine, hers, yours, ours and theirs. Okay. Now, let us see A bit. Take the correct word. This bat belongs to Jia. It is dash. Hers or she? Yes, hers. When we are saying about some girl, so we have to use hers. This umbrella belongs to our grandfather. It is dash. Him or his? It is? Yes, it is his, not him. Okay. Third, these toys belong to us. They are ours. Whenever us comes, it will become ours. Fourth one, does this jacket belong to you? Is it yours? Yours. In possessive pronouns, the words will be ending with S. Remember children, hers, yours, ours, theirs. Next, fifth one, these books belong to me. They are mine. It's not me, it's mine. Okay. Now, B bit, complete these sentences with the correct pronouns. I have my pencil. Do you have yours? He is asking. Next, the books belong to Anu. The bag is also dash. Whenever the girl comes, she, we have to use in pronouns hers. Some of the toys belong to my cousins. The car is mine, but the dolls are theirs. Theirs, theirs. Fourth, I'm sorry, I took your book. I thought it was dash, mine, M-I-N-E, mine. Fifth, the torch does not belong to Amar. It is not his. His, H-I-S, his. Well, so next is possessive adjectives. Possessive adjectives are used with the nouns and they show that something belongs to somebody and they always come before nouns. Here possessive pronoun comes after the nouns and here possessive adjective comes before the nouns. Okay, and they are different from possessive pronouns. Suppose, listen to your father. Your is possessive adjective. Before father, father is a noun. It is coming before noun. So, that is possessive adjectives. And this video of possessive adjectives will be in the next video. So, no need to worry, in detail explanation was there. And you can go through my YouTube channel, that is English Chatty Rocks, and you can find their grammar part and American accent as well. So, please stay tuned. So, this C bit we will be discussing in the next video. Till that time, take care. Bye-bye.